Energy transition, digital transformation, everything is evolving and accelerating. But how do such things become reality? I created my own startup with the aim of innovating and putting digital technology at the service of humanity. Then, when Vinci Energies invited me to look into how digital intelligence is impacting on its businesses, and thus the world in which we live, I immediately said yes. All around the world, renewable energies are being developed and energy networks are being reinvented. From the simple electrification of a village to the supply of a large city, from energy generation to energy distribution, I have been able to observe how responsive solutions on every scale are being deployed and adapted for each territory. As we are ever more on the move, by train, car, bicycle and tram, all over the world, teams are working on the development of new transport systems. Ultra-connected tunnels, energy-saving tramways, recharge networks for electric vehicles. In every territory, smarter, seamless mobility is now available. For a long time, teams have been supplying buildings with air and water, heating and cooling, energy and information. I was surprised to discover to what extent buildings can now be brought to life. They can be transformed, developed over time and adapted to the needs of the people within. Everything is done to take care of people and places. I believe that that is the most important aspect, the ability to bring a building to life. By developing the intelligence of their trade, teams are helping to maintain our buildings, making them easier to live in and better adapted to what we are, what we need, what we desire. Digital technology can make a city, a building or a factory more efficient while preserving a human scale. In a society that is constantly generating data, this is, in my opinion, a key factor. I have been able to see first-hand startups at work with the group's employees and many other partners. Together they make data smart. Together they promote the emergence of new applications. In industry, for example, innovation is accelerating at an extremely rapid pace. The issue is how to create tangible applications that actually mean something and make the job easier. Like in the group's laboratory, where 3D design, augmented reality, collaborative robots, smart sensors and predictive maintenance are being developed, along with a range of other applications. This made me realize how smart industry makes industrial processes more productive, more powerful and more energy efficient. What interests me is how these new tools can continuously improve industrial performance for bespoke production, closer to consumers and better adapted to operators. Exploiting data also makes city life easier and run more smoothly. Thanks to thousands of sensors, detectors and cameras, systems can be set up to manage an entire traffic network while transmitting information in real time. Journey times are reduced and the city becomes more breathable. From changing a simple light bulb to the overall management of the city, an entire intelligent network of services is being developed. Vinci Energies, together with the major players, is creating a true collaborative framework for urban innovation in the service of all. The cloud, data centers, networks and telecommunications infrastructures, cities, institutions, businesses, all are innovating by allowing access to information and promoting sharing. In work, culture and leisure, this information sharing makes new initiatives possible and brings city residents together. And it works. Today, buildings, factories, roads, neighborhoods, everything we build is connected to produce a vast body of precious data that can be put to good use. Thanks to the development of hypervisors, Vinci Energies connects all these networks so that they can talk to each other. Transport systems, energy flow, security, water, waste, life of buildings. It's an open system that can integrate any future developments and all the major players. Throughout this journey, I have observed many transformations at work, real solutions that are changing the way we live, work, get around and communicate. Both in large cities and villages, I have encountered people who are at the heart of this dynamic. people who are engaged and connected to each other through collaborative systems. Together, combining their uniqueness, originality, and agility with their field experience and vision, they make up Vinci Energies.